Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm looking at some canisters by MacKenzie-Childs. This is how they look like in my kitchen. I just wanted to show you a little bit about them, how they look, and give you some feedback. Had them for about a month now and I'm absolutely loving the design, the way they look. They look really high end. They add a lot of color and a lot of pop to your home. Each one of these is made out of metal. They are not ceramic. They are not plastic. They are metal. You can see here how they're all designed in the front here. You can see they're all labeled with that nice gold badge. They have a nice little raspberry top, which is really whimsical and fun. Each one of these has that checkered look all around. I like that quite a bit. But I love the way they look. Again, they add any whimsical look to your home. So we have 3 different sizes available. You have the small, medium, and large. You can buy them individually or you can buy them as a set. Now, I like them as a set because they look really cool in my kitchen. And I want to show you this one here. So this is the next size up. Again, here is the inside. It's got some stuffing in here, but you can see how beautiful it is. You can put anything in here at all. Again, all made out of great quality. These are a nice size, so you can put a lot of things in here, but they look really good in the kitchen. And here is the largest one here. Now here's a real large one. This is a really big one. Open that up. You can see how deep that is. It holds a lot of stuff. Again, it's got a seal around it, a little rubber seal here to help keep things fresh if you want to put something in there as well. And again, made out of metal. It got that nice gold badge right there, and they absolutely look fantastic. Now, I love the way they look. I love the way they feel, and it's going to last quite a long time, and they're a really great value. Now, I'm just going to give you a quick idea on the sizes so you know each one of these is approximate size. This one stands approximately, I would say, 7.5. This one stands approximately 9 inches, and this one stands approximately about 10 inches. Those are the 3 different sizes. Now, I like them together, like you can see here, and they just really have a whimsical and fun look. Now, you can put them separately. You can add them anywhere in your home. It doesn't really matter. But you see how they look. Let me just get a close-up of one so you can just see the beautiful detail on that badging. I love that. That is really nice. I love the way that looks. You can just see the detail and the quality. It has the gold and the black and the check. So they're calling this the check pattern. Now there's different colors available, of course, you can choose. I happen to like, this is the classical look, the top of it. And you can see, I want you to take a look at this detail. On the top, you can just see the gold all around it with the raspberry. Absolutely beautiful finishing in this, beautiful detail. The texture of it's gorgeous. The inside is beautiful. It's all metal construction, and just you can just metal and no plastic here. It's made quite well. It's got a little wing nut here to adjust this if it's loose, which is really a nice quality item. I like that quite a bit. Now, if you have any other questions at all, go ahead, follow the channel if you enjoyed this type of review, this type of shopping experience, to show you what they look like, to give you my experience, how they are. They are quite well. You're not going to worry about these breaking. I mean, you can see here, it does have a really deep, this is the small one. So you can put a ton of stuff in here. So it just has so much value to it, the storage. And I love this look here. It's got that copper and gold texture to it, that look. Again, it has that nice, beautiful detail in each one of these toppers. This little thumb screw here, the little wing nut, so you can tighten it up if it's loose. And absolutely fantastic product. Now, there will be a link down below. It is an affiliate link. I do get a small commission if you do purchase this. It costs you nothing. It just helps support my channel. And I hope I brought your shopping experience just a little bit clearer when it comes to items like this. If I have brought you some value, follow the channel, like and share. I really do appreciate that. It means a lot to me, and I hope I did that for you today. Definitely go ahead and pick these up. I think they're great. I love them. They're in my house, as you can see here, and they look great against any background. I don't care what color you have. You got to pick up that color. It's going to look absolutely fantastic. And that's what I have. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you at the next review, and thanks for watching and shopping.